I'm going to show you my trick on how I get the crown lifted, get some volume in here, and have it last. I do this with this trusty little tool. This is my Teasing foldable brush. Let's get started. I never tease the front here. I just leave my bangs like with that curtain look, and then I start right here. I bring the comb in, take the end piece, pull it up, bring it forward, and I start teasing just at the root. The next one, same thing. A little bit of hairspray, little spritz there. The important thing is to just get that brush right into the root. Don't tease any further out. I just want the lift right around the crown so that it holds. I bring this in as close as possible. I give it a little spritz. Then I start softening it. Brush very gently, go over it, smooth it down. Instant volume. Amazing volume. In just a minute.